about 5,000 miles from land.
And you're descending 7 miles to the bottom of the ocean.
See you all in a month.
Here we go.
Imagine traveling at the depths of the ocean floor. Fishes all around you. Nemo saying hello to you. Dory is still lost in the beauty of the underwater haven. Rays of sunlight pierce through the water. As you begin to explore further, a sudden shift in the atmosphere. What is that creature? From the giant squid to the bizarre vampire squid, the deep sea is filled with creatures that most of us have never seen. To discover these strange species, explorers had to explore the abyssal zone, where light is scarce and pressure is crushing. True nightmarish bioluminescent creatures with its ghastly jaws lures prey with the promise of light, only to become a helpless victim. For over 2 centuries, humans have embarked on quests to explore the great depths of the sea, but has only managed to scratch only 5% of the surface, leaving the 95% unexplored and filled with mysteries. This uncharted territory has left the ocean depths with strange and eerie creatures with unique biological characteristics. In this episode, let's explore the great depths of the ocean and find out the incredible biology of these species. Behold, the colossal giant squid, a legendary creature of the deep whose existence was once thought to be a mere myth. Scientists at National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration researched the Gulf of Mexico, captured video of an elusive giant squid, the first recorded sighting in US waters. In the 28-second clip, the cephalopod emerges from the blackness of the deep sea and attacks an electronic jellyfish. After wrapping its tentacles around the luminescent bait, the squid loses interest and disappears in the murk. Since ancient times, philosophers and naturalists have puzzled over this rarely seen enigma. There are various species of this giant creature, such as the vampire squid, colossal squid, Humboldt squid, robust clubhook squid. Belonging to the Cranchidae family, the colossal squid is alternatively known as the Antarctic squid or giant cranch squid. These giant cephalopods can reach lengths of up to 13 meters and live at depths of up to 1,000 meters. Despite their size, they're rarely seen by humans. This enigmatic creature holds the distinction of being deemed the heaviest squid species, boasting truly staggering dimensions. Inhabiting the frigid depths of the Southern Ocean, it possesses an aura of intrigue that's further highlighted by some truly chilling attributes. With eyes of an astonishing size, capable of detecting even the faintest glimmer in the darkness, the colossal squid is a master of its lightless domain. Its tentacles are equipped with its powerful hooks, and as a predator of the deep, it navigates these depths with grace, instilling a mixture of awe and anxiety among those who dare to contemplate its existence. There are various species of these giant creatures, such as the vampire squid, colossal squid, Humboldt squid, robust clubhook squid. But the giant squid is just the beginning. From anglerfish's bioluminescent lures to mesmerize their prey, to the ethereal beauty of the transparent vampire squid, these beings defy our understanding of life. The Japanese spider crab is an immense crustacean, capable of reaching lengths of up to 12.5 feet, and it's primarily encountered along the Pacific coastline of Japan. At a quick glance, these creatures bear an uncanny resemblance to prehistoric beings emerging from the depths of a science fiction film. These creatures have an amazing, spindly appearance, with their long bodies and legs, and their bulbous eyes. Their shells are a deep reddish-brown color, and they have a pattern of small dots all over their bodies. These crabs are also very social, and will often congregate in large groups. They're also known to be quite gentle, and will often allow divers to approach them without fear. Nevertheless, within the marine ecosystem, they have earned a reputation as benevolent behemoths. Their nomenclature is aptly derived from their striking likeness to a familiar arachnid, spiders. These crabs are thought to live 50 to 100 years. Female Japanese spider crabs can lay up to 1.5 million eggs in a season, but only a few survive. The Japanese spider crab is an incredible creature and is a sight to behold. Beneath the vast expanse of the world's oceans lies a realm shrouded in mystery and wonder. Mitsukarina ostoni, or also known as the goblin shark, has a distinctively shaped snout and impressive array of long, pointed teeth. The goblin shark has a shovel-like snout, flabby body, and a tail with a weakly developed lower lobe. One of the distinctive features of the goblin shark is its protrusible mouth. The mouth can retract to a position under the eye or extend forward under the snout. The species was named in honor of Alan Austin, 1853 to 1915, an English collector of Asian wildlife, as well as a businessman and yachtsman, Boolins and Watkins, 2003. The giant Pacific octopus is a true artist of disguise. The giant Pacific octopus stands out with its distinctive reddish-pink hue. This octopus possesses specialized pigment cells known as chromatophores, positioned just beneath its skin surface. The giant Pacific octopus is an expert at camouflage. It can change its color and texture to blend in with its surroundings, allowing it to hide from predators and ambush prey. The octopus has a large body and mantle. It also has 2 large eyes and 3 hearts that pump blood throughout its body. It is also incredibly intelligent, can learn to recognize faces and solve puzzles, and it's even known to play with toys. The giant Pacific octopus has a short lifespan of only 3 to 5 years. During that time, it will reproduce and lay thousands of eggs, which will hatch into tiny octopuses that will grow up to be just as fascinating as their parents. These remarkable cells grant it the ability to alter its coloration, enabling seamless camouflage amidst rocky or coral-rich environments. Along with 8 arms, an octopus also has 3 hearts and 9 brains. 2 of the 3 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the 3rd circulates blood to the rest of the body. These octopuses use one central brain to control their nervous systems and a small brain in each arm to control movement. The giant Pacific octopus are also known for having blue blood thanks to a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin in their bloodstream, which is efficient for oxygen transport in cold ocean environments. The humpback anglerfish, also referred to as the humpback black devil and Johnson's anglerfish, is a member of the black sea devils family. These fish have gained recognition for their peculiar and somewhat menacing appearance. Often described as having an angry expression that can be quite unsettling. They navigate through their environment utilizing a distinctive bioluminescent spine, which emits a soft, diffused blue glow in the depths of the dark waters. The humpback anglerfish is a solitary creature living alone in the depths of the ocean. It's a nocturnal hunter, spending its days hiding in the darkness and coming out at night to feed. These intriguing beings have earned the reputation as one of the most unattractive creatures found in the animal kingdom. The humpback anglerfish is a fascinating creature and one that we're still learning more about. So next time you're out in the deep ocean, keep your eyes open for this amazing creature. The frilled shark earns its moniker as a living fossil for good reason. Its characteristics bear a striking resemblance to those of ancient primitive eels. With an astonishing 25 rows of curved, exceptionally sharp teeth, its jaws are a formidable sight. It's typically located along continental shelves and in the near of expansive islands, although sporadic sightings have been noted in open waters. These creatures primarily inhabit the benthic zones and can be found at depths ranging from 100 to 1,300 meters, making it hard for researchers to study them. It's believed to be a living fossil, meaning that it's remained relatively unchanged for approximately 80 million years. The frilled shark is easily identifiable due to its long, slender body and the 6 pairs of frills located along its neck. These frills are believed to help the shark capture its prey, which includes squid and other fish. This species of shark also has an impressive set of teeth, as each jaw is lined with 25 rows of sharp, curved teeth. The gulper eel is an elusive deep-sea creature with a mysterious reputation. What else do we know about this strange creature? The mysterious deep-sea monster gulper eels are found in the deepest parts of the ocean and are rarely seen by humans. They have a unique body shape with a large head and an expandable stomach that allows them to consume prey much larger than their own size. The gulper eel is another astounding inhabitant of the abyss. Their diet consists mainly of fish, squid, and crustaceans. They use their large eyes and long bioluminescent tail to detect potential prey. This unique feature enables it to survive in an environment where food is scarce, and the ability to feast when the opportunity arises is essential. Gulper eels have a unique reproductive cycle, with the female laying a single, large egg which takes almost a year to hatch. Consider the viperfish, with its dagger-like teeth and photospores, which emit an eerie glow. This adaptation helps the viperfish remain hidden from predators below while also luring unsuspecting prey above. The Dumbo octopus, named after its ear-like fins, gracefully navigates the deep-sea currents. Its ethereal appearance is a result of evolution sculpting a form perfectly suited for the high pressures of the abyss. The deep-sea squid boasts eyes that are proportionally the largest in the animal kingdom. This adaptation gathers minuscule traces of light to pierce the darkness, allowing the squid to detect movement and potential prey, even in the darkness, which is blinding. Our journey unveils a realm of boundless wonder, where beauty dances hand in hand with untamed elegance. From the gentle glow of bioluminescent creatures to the intricate adaptations, we've seen giant squid and mysterious anglerfish, and countless other creatures that live in the dark depths of the ocean that have evolved every corner of this hidden world, revealing a story of survival and ingenuity. From the depths of the ocean, we've come to explore the wonders of the deep sea. We've seen the beauty and the mystery of the deep sea, and now we understand why it's so important to protect these creatures and their habitats. Thank you for joining us on this voyage of discovery. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more captivating glimpses into the wonders of our world.